Hello again, this is Mark Mandy, and this video tutorial is about how to send a game invitation from a Wiki Tournament request notification. As you can see here, I have a request from Lady Vic to please send an invitation for the Deck of Cards Frequent Flyer American Rummikub Tournament. Notice here that it says 3 days loss of game. Some clubs do 2 days, some actually do 1 day, but this is the standard, this is the average. The very first thing that I do is I highlight the link for the wiki, and I do that by clicking and dragging over it, and then once it's all highlighted, I right-click on my mouse and select Copy. If you prefer, you can use Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a Windows machine. The next thing that I do, having copied the link, is click on the name of my opponent. I am assigned the inviter role. My opponent is here, and I am going to click on Cruiser's name and get his profile page. Here I have a few options. I can send Cruiser a message, but I have no reason to do that right now. I can invite Cruiser to a game, which is of course exactly what I want to do. So I click on that link, and now I'm presented with the new game screen. American Rummikub is part of the Rummikub suite of games, so I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to locate American Rummikub and click on that. This first window asks me how long for each move, and what's the penalty for a timeout, and as I said before, 3 days and loss of game is the default, so it's very easy when you have that. I then click on Next, and Cruiser's name is already in place because I went from his profile. I then click Next again, and I enter the box, and in my case I right-click and paste the link in, but you can just as easily use the Control-V shortcut on Windows and Command-V shortcut on a Mac to paste it in. I then type in a small message, in this case, good luck and enjoy, and I click Finish, and the invitation is sent. And I can then go back to my game sheet and play all of my games.